Hello everyone, this is Ohtan Wang. I'm a professor of biology at NYU Abu Dhabi, and this is Autocomplete Science Series CGSB edition. What do neuroscientists do? Well, neuroscientists try to understand the makings and the workings of the nervous system. And this includes central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, at all levels, from molecules to cells, to the connections, to the way they communicate, all the way to behavior. So that's what neuroscientists do. Next. How do you become a neuroscientist? Easy. I was curious about the brain, and I was curious about many questions that I believe neuroscience is the best approach to address. On top of that, I have been lucky with good mentors. So my mentors have been fantastic neuroscientists and also molecular biologists. And I think they have helped me create this neuroscientist that I believe I am today. Explain neuroscientist in 3 words. Let me think. That's 3 words, but I'll give you another set. Fun, ambitious, hardworking. What inspired you to become a neuroscientist? The brain. I mean, everything, the people I met, books, my family, my experience. It just new questions keep coming, and I think neuroscience is just everywhere. And now my colleagues, I shouldn't forget to mention my colleagues and the students here at NYU Abu Dhabi. They are my inspiration. It's a very exciting place to be a neuroscientist. It's stimulating and collaborative. And I think for neuroscientists, these are really important things. What's your research objectives? Well, I'm hoping through my research that I will be able to understand how our daily experience is connected to the gene expression in the brain. So that when we grow, when our brain develops, it develops together with our experience. Our experience becomes part of its development, becomes part of our brain. And to do this, my team has been focusing on the molecules, a class of molecules of RNAs. And these are different from DNA molecules. The RNA molecules transfer information from DNA into cell functions. And RNA molecules can interpret the DNA information in many different ways. So you can think RNA molecules as interpreters. So the way they interpret the DNA information can also be impacted by our daily experience. And that's why we care about the RNA molecule regulation in the brain, and we're keen to understand the mechanism. So, yes. Last question. What's the impact of your research on the community? Well, I would say the impact, the knowledge we will be able to gain from our research is the mechanism of how our surroundings, how our environment, how our community can can make long-lasting impact on our brain health, our mental health. So by understanding the mechanisms, we can better understand ourselves, how behaviors are generated, how factors such as having friends, aging, diets affect the brain function and the structures, how puberty, marriage, pregnancy, menopause affect a female's brain. And I think by gaining the knowledge, that we can understand how we work, how the brain works in our bodies through the experience. And by having this knowledge, we can understand how to better build the society so we can be healthier as individuals, but also as society. So I think that would be the impact of my research. Thank you very much. Adam.